Hello and welcome. In this screencast I'm going to show you how you can quickly add a new search item in 3 easy steps. Step number 1, you go to the search item editor. When you're on Trufflepiggy.com, just go to the menu and click Edit Searches. If you're on a different website, you can go to the context menu, go to the Trufflepiggy entries, then select Options and More and click Change Searches. Or if you have Trufflepiggy Quick Search installed, you can click on the web extension icon and then click again Edit Searches. Easy, isn't it? So, when you're on the editor page, the first thing we do is we are looking for the item we would like to add. In my case, I would like to add overclockers.com, and as you can see, it's not here. So let's continue with step 2. You open the website you would like to add. In my case, it's overclockers.com. And when you're on the website you would like to add, you locate the search field. It's here. And then you just search for Trufflepiggy. Easy as that. Of course, this doesn't return any meaningful result. But the most important thing is the search URL, which contains Trufflepiggy. As soon as you can see Trufflepiggy in the search URL, this item will work. So let's copy this, close the tab and return to the search item editor. Here you paste the search URL, then we give it a name. Trufflepiggy always tries to auto-generate a name and this one is perfectly fine. And last but not least, you decide if you would like to share the search item with other Trufflepiggy users or keep it private. I'm perfectly fine with sharing it, so I click Save Item and continue with the last step. Step number 3. Any new item will be added to your search list at the bottom. And now you can drag and drop it and reorder your items. And that's it. 3 easy steps to add your very own search item. This method works for about 90-95% of all pages. There are some where Trufflepiggy won't appear in the search URL, but this is a topic for another screencast. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, please leave a like. And see you next time. Clemens over and out.